Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel and the boat. It's been a long time. I think it's September last time we were down here. We're now in the 6th of November today. So I've just come down and the first thing I've noticed is that it's really cold and damp and nasty here. Well, it's not nasty, it's not horrible, but it's not amazing. So set my dehumidifier up and I put my heating on to get some warmth circulating to get it dried out, because unfortunately I left my water tank full, and when you turn this on normally you would hear a pump. You can't hear a pump even though we've got water tank pressure, and no water comes out the tap. So I have a sneaking suspicion that either the water tank or the lines to the pump or something is frozen. So putting the heating on, I'm going to let the boat get really toasty warm and hopefully it's going to defrost it. If not, I've got a bit of a problem because I've got a big block of ice instead of water. I don't know how to drain it, which leads me conveniently onto my first train of thought for today. Winterization of boats. So most people, I would say, probably winterize their boat fully. They don't plan on using it outside of the summer or what is considered the boating season. Quite a lot of people, you might have seen it on other channels, they lift the boats out of the water for the winter. Part of that process is you drain all the fresh water, the black water tanks if you have them. When you winterize the engine now, depends on how strong you want to winterize it, I guess. But quite a lot of people run like an organic coolant, like an antifreeze, through into the fresh water system to stop it from freezing. And a lot of people just completely kind of mothball the boat for the winter. We didn't do that last year, and I don't plan on doing it this year. We had some glorious winter days. Yes, they're few and far between compared to summer. You don't get as many good days, but in my opinion, when you get them, they're actually better. You know, they're really good quality, crystal clear blue skies, freezing cold, yes, but no wind, no skies, perfectly flat, calm, and you know, the kind of 4 or 5 days that we did go out last winter, absolutely glorious. So I'm keeping it in the water again. Now, again, this varies depending on if you're in salt water or fresh water. I'm in salt water, obviously. Well, brackish, but it is salty. So I don't have to worry about my fresh water feeds. It's got salt water in there, it's not going to freeze, and so I'm fine. So my winterization prep for this year, which was what I was hoping to do today, was I was going to come and drain the water tank out. I was going to set up my dehumidifier, and you've seen here I've already chucked them in. I have 2 tube heaters with little thermostats on them there. I'll leave one in that cabin, one here on the bed, and I'll leave this door open to the bathroom, that door wedged open there, and I will leave that wardrobe door open as well. And the dehumidifier on smart mode. The heaters are set to 10 degrees just to stop it from freezing. The dehumidifier is set to smart, so anything above 68%, there's a percent meter here. Let me turn it on, I'll show you. Yeah, so there's a percent meter, so anything above 68% it turns itself on. Apart from that, it turns itself off, just to keep its electricity usage down. Let me turn it off because it can just get loud. So yeah, so for me, all it consists of is dehumidifier, a couple of heaters, and there is a tube heater in the engine bay, which I will show you ever so quickly. And that's wired up without getting into the engine bay, hopefully, because I'm not here to fiddle around in a small box today. Yeah, so stay up, thank you. So what you will see is down there we have a tube heater, and that is controlled by that white box there, which is actually just a domestic thermostat. So that's set to 6 degrees, so anything colder than 6 degrees, that tube heater comes on in here and warms this engine bay up. Obviously you can see there's, I don't know if you can see actually, but there is water in the bilge, and it's liquid water, so I know that it's not been freezing, it's not ice in there. I'm a little bit concerned where the water's come from, because obviously the boat's been out of the water for a week. So whilst I've not been able to come down, what we've done is I've had the boat out of the water, and it was out for a full week in October, and the local kind of Volvo Penta specialist, whatever, he came and serviced my outdrives for me, stripped them off, new anodes on the top and the ring anode, and new bellows for the drive shaft, and new bellows for the exhaust as well, because they were both showing a bit of wear. One of the anodes was completely destroyed, so he's completely serviced that, and he's put 2 new seacocks for the black water as well, for the water inlet to flush the toilet and the black water out to empty the tank out. And the reason he did them is that they were weeping ever so slightly. So the outdrives are done now, serviced. Someone else did it, unfortunately, as the same reason I've not been on the video is I just haven't had a chance. I haven't been down to do it myself, so I figured get someone else to do it whilst I'm not using the boat. That way it's done, I don't have to worry about it. So apart from winterising the boat, the only real other thing that I'm going to do this weekend is I do need to replace the exhaust pipe on the heater, so I'm going to go and do that. And I've bought just a bag of bits, so I've got some melamine plates and towels. These are from my dad's caravan, I stole them. Yeah, just some towels and dishcloths and everything. So I've just got some of them. The exhaust pipe obviously I'm going to do, but it was my birthday in October and my staff are great, so what my staff did was they all chipped in and bought me this, the Lego pirate ship. So since I'm on a boat, ta-da, in a marina, I am going to sit and build a Lego pirate ship tonight. So that's my job. I'm going to order pizza, I'm going to sit and build a Lego pirate ship, and I might even time lapse it for you. I don't know, we'll see what I'm feeling like. But yeah, now the only downside is normally I would build it on the big table under there, but since that's formed up as my bed at the moment, I won't be doing that. And if I put the table up out here, well, it's going to get really cold later on as the temperature dives down to single figures, so I may or may not use a table up here. We'll see how I'm feeling. But yeah, so for now I'm just going to put this stuff away, just tidy up, get everything powered up and ready and running. The heater's now on, that's the buzzing you can probably hear, and it is putting a bit of warmth in here. And yeah, so that's it. Very quick video, just wanted to talk about winterising your boat and my plans. But yeah, long and short of it is, I'm staying in the water, I'll continue to use it, and I've got a frozen water tank that I've got to deal with. Meh, shit happens. But yeah, apart from that, I'll catch you all later. Take care, bye bye.